How to change the address and country on Alibaba mobile app. So let's start. First, open the app. And next, go down here and click on My Alibaba. Scroll all the way down and click Settings. And next step is click Ship To. And this is how can you change your country. So we're gonna change it to United States of America. Then go back. And now I'm gonna show you how to change shipping addresses. So click on shipping addresses here. Go here and click Add Address. And here we go. You just write your name here, mobile number, street, apartment or PO box. And that's it. And just click Save. And this is how can you add address or change address. I'm gonna show you one more time how to do it. So if you want to just change your address or you want to change your country, open the app, click My Alibaba. If you want to do it quicker, just click here. You can see the flag. And now just change it to, I don't know, UK. Let's go. And then if you go back, scroll down, and here you can see shipping addresses. And here you can change your address if you have your address already here, or you can add your address. And this is how can you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please hit the like button and see you one click later. Goodbye.